Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a custom view in Excel. So this tool is useful when you want to save a specific display or print setting. So whenever you have applied certain filters to your worksheet, you want to reuse it from time to time. And this is when you will need this tool. Let me show you how this works in practice. So here I have my sales data, and what I want to do first is to filter this row, column A. So when I click on this column A and come to, from my home, I come to data, I'll click on filter. It will give me this button here. So I'll click on this button, and then I want to remove east and north, and then OK it. Here I want to hide my salesperson. So if I right click on it and select hide, it disappears. So this is a view now that I've created, a view which I've eliminated east and west using filters and also hidden salesperson column. And I want to save this view. So to save this view, I will come to view. Okay, then come under workbook view. Then under this workbook view, I will come to custom views and click on it. So I have a custom view here already, but I want to create a new custom view for this our view. So I will come to add and then give it a name. So we call this additional view, and OK. Then I'll return back. Okay. Then here we already have my filter. We just remove the filter. Okay. Then I'll restore this column that I've hidden. So you can see everything is now the same way it was before. So to get my view, if I want to bring back my view directly, I can just come to this view, select custom view, and then the custom view I just created is additional view. So I will just click on show. If I needed newest, I will click on newest, then click on show, but it's not newest that we created. So we created additional view, and I'll click on this additional view and select show. You can see it has filtered the east and the north as well, and then hidden the salesperson. So this is the view it is returning to us. And this is just how you do it. You can use this tool in your data analysis when you want to apply this kind of filters. And this brings us to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet and you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing now and liking the video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.